Hi, the Swytch kit is a clever solution for electrifying your bike, but in my opinion the system is flawed because in the supply condition the battery is on the front of the bike and it makes the handlebars really difficult to control. So what I've done here is made a change to the system and put the battery on the back of the bike, and I'm going to tell you how to do it here. So the battery would normally attach to the handlebars using this plastic holder here, but I've designed a further adapter part, and that connects to the switch holder to the rear seat post. You can still remove the battery for charging. There's plenty of room on the bike rack for shopping and extra clothing, and I've used a bungee cord here to make sure that the battery is held firmly in place. The pedal sensor has been rerouted. It used to go to the handlebars and now it goes to the seat post. The new cable route is actually shorter than before, so there's no need for an extension lead. The motor also needs to go to the seat post, but you'll need another extension cable here. I bought this extension lead on Amazon. It's a 9-pin waterproof MAGT cable, and it's about 60 centimeters long. The controller was housed in the battery case, but this would have been difficult to use with the battery on the rear, so what I've done is I've pulled it out of the battery case and moved it to the handlebars. To do that, I've had to print another holder that's fixed to the handlebars, and I've used some strong rubber bands, and the controller sits snugly inside the holder. Another cable is needed for the controller, and this was really difficult to source. This is a 5-pin male to female lead, that has an M6 waterproof connector. I needed a cable at least 80 centimeters long. The cable proved really difficult to source. I couldn't find one online, and I had to contact Swytch, who I have to say were really unhelpful. They did give me a link to a Bafang extension cable, but that was an M8, which didn't fit. It cost me 10 quid and took about a month to arrive, so I was pretty annoyed at Swytch when I discovered they'd given me a bum lead. In the end, I managed to secure an M6 extension cable direct from a Chinese manufacturer, and unlike Swytch, they were super helpful. I'll put a link for that company at the end here. So the result is a nice electric version that's much better than the original Swytch concept. My wife likes riding it now because with the battery on the front she used to find it really difficult to control, and now it's nice and easy to ride. So I actually think Swytch should consider offering a rear battery kit because I think it makes the bike much easier to handle. But there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers. Bye.